ladies and gentlemen, we would like to welcome you to a party on 4800 Grand Street Block. To the you'll age are invited. Old man, old woman. Have a good day.
We having a party tonight. 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 Listen, we having a party tonight. We having a party. We having a party on the house up on the hill. That's where we be. 206 southbound. Nigga thought you knew. We be the same old Usos, same old dogs, trying to get what we do, trying to live our lives strong in this world today. Everybody wanna get us all trying to get paid, so slow your roll, cause I be off of that erkin' jerkin'. Everybody wishing they could be me, but my fam understands the way I live my life by sacrificing everything like Jesus Christ. Not trying to blame me for a fool or trying to put me down. Stay tall, live my life, be the boss. You know I be residing in the south side, never to die. Everybody know who I be, where I be. So stay true to the game. Everybody get down, we gonna party today, See, we gonna have a party. We having a party tonight. We having a party tonight. See, we gonna have a party. We having a party tonight. We having a party tonight. See, we gonna have a party. We having a party tonight. We having a party tonight. See, we gonna have a party. We having a party tonight. We having a party tonight.
It's about 6 in the morning, still drinking and smoking, trying to grab some more swishes in the case of more liquor. Headed back to the function, South End resident, speakers bumping when I spit. Dr. Drew made this just another be aware creation. 4800 block, Graham Street, pimp. Tonight we having a party, so grab your drinks and buy Marley. My Usos inside me. That's how we do it from the South End,
See, we gonna have a party. We having a party tonight. We having a party tonight. See, we gonna have a party. We having a party tonight. We having a party tonight. See, we gonna have a party. We having a party tonight. We having a party tonight. See, we gonna have a party. We having a party tonight. We having a party tonight.
Days when we were young, we had it so easy, but now that we're grown, living ain't easy. We turn to the music, reminiscing, we lose it. We gotta get a sip of that. I wanna go back to the days when we were young. We had it so easy, but now that we're grown, living ain't easy. We turn to the music, reminiscing, we lose it. We gotta get a sip of that. I wanna go back to the day.
I remember like yesterday, we used to run around outside and play. We used to barbecue, used to act a fool. Growing up, living life, doing what we do. Growing up, you never think about the hard things. Living life right in the streets, day and night, man. When we together, everything is so right, man. Does the party going down tonight, man?
See, we gonna have a party. We having a party tonight. We having a party tonight. See, we gonna have a party. We having a party tonight. We having a party tonight. See, we gonna have a party. We having a party tonight. We having a party tonight. See, we gonna have a party. We having a party tonight. We having a party tonight.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning into this fantastic party. So round up all 20 of your kids, pack them into that minivan and head to the house. Tomorrow there's another party. Make sure you attend. Bring your case, copy your suite. Got it.